Ever wonder why your cacio e pepe doesn't hit like in Rome? The problem might not be the sauce. It might be the pasta. This isn't just food. It's detail. It's pride. It's Rome on the plate. So in this video, we're getting into why the wrong pasta can ruin your cacio e pepe. Cacio e pepe, 3 ingredients: cheese, pepper, pasta. So what if you mess up one? Well done, you've just turned a timeless classic into cafeteria food. Spaghetti? You think it's good enough? Think again. Too smooth, no grip. It does nothing for the sauce. Flavor, lost. Texture, gone. Emotion, nowhere. If you're making cacio e pepe the way it's meant to be, uncompromisingly Roman, authentic, perfect. You want pasta that clings like it's in love with the sauce. You want pasta with grip, with grab, with guts. You want Tonnarelli. There is reason real Romans swear by it. Square-edged, thick, rough. This pasta grabs the sauce, holds it hostage. The cheese clings. The pepper bites. This is pasta with backbone. Tonnarelli, the real deal. It's not complicated. You wouldn't pour beer into a wine glass, right? So don't serve Roman greatness on a strand of dental floss. Spaghetti? That's tourist talk. Let's get it right. Tonnarelli? Or don't bother.